Dear students, now we are discussing about a new term, galvanic cell. What is galvanic cell? It is a device which is used to produce electricity by the chemical change. അതായത് രാസമാറ്റത്തിലൂടെ വൈദ്യുതി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന സംവിധാനം. That is called galvanic cell. Now here, what are the metals used for this arrangement? It depends upon the reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, like that. So, in this case, highly reactive metal and low reactive metal is used as a couple, as a pair. This is also called as voltaic cell, galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Now see how it will work. See, zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution and copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. Zinc is highly reactive than copper. So zinc loses 2 electrons to the solution. Oxidation takes place here, and here copper, it will accept that 2 electron, that is reduction takes place. So here oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Okay, so here this electron which come out from zinc rod to zinc sulfate solution, it will move to this part through the voltmeter and come to copper, and here copper accepts that 2 electron and become copper. So in this way, electron route, electron movement is going on. Here in the left side, or the zinc rod, oxidation takes place. So a negative sign is formed here, and for the positive side, redox or reduction takes place in this case. അതായത് കുട്ടികളെ, സിങ്ക് റോഡിൽ ഓക്സിഡേഷനും കോപ്പർ റോഡിൽ റിഡക്ഷനും നടക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ സിങ്ക് സൾഫേറ്റ് സൊല്യൂഷനും കോപ്പറിൻ്റെ ഭാഗത്ത് കോപ്പർ സൾഫേറ്റ് സൊല്യൂഷനുമാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. അത് ഇലക്ട്രോൺ പ്രവാഹ ദിശ, ഫ്ലോ ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺ ഈ വോൾട്ട്മീറ്ററിൽ കൂടെ കോപ്പറിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. അതാണ് ഇവിടെ നടക്കുന്നത്. Now see another term, salt bridge. What is the role of salt bridge? Salt bridge is a device which provides electron to both the solution to see the electron movement. Because here, if there is no salt bridge, only few electrons are moving through the voltmeter. We can't judge or we can't see the movement of voltmeter. So for provide more electron, this salt bridge is used. In this salt bridge, potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, ammonium chloride, all these salts which is mixed in jelly or agar and fill up in the U-tube and put it in this tube beaker. അപ്പോൾ അതാണ് സാൾട്ട് ബ്രിഡ്ജ്. പ്രവാഹദിശ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇലക്ട്രോണിൻ്റെ ധാരാളം രണ്ട് സൊല്യൂഷനിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഈ സാൾട്ട് ബ്രിഡ്ജിൻ്റെ ധർമ്മം. Now see the chemical equation at the zinc rod and copper rod. Oxidation takes place here, that is loss of electron. Zinc gives zinc 2 plus 2e minus. For copper, Cu2 plus 2e minus. This copper accepts 2 electron and becoming copper. So oxidation takes place here, reduction takes place here. So the electrode at which oxidation takes place is negative charge, it is called anode. And the reduction, the positive part where the reduction takes place is called cathode. Now we can see how a redox equation is written. Usually it is in the exam, they will ask, write the redox equation, that is oxidation and reduction. So we take the left part as a one pair and the right part as another pair. See how it is written. Redox equation. Zinc plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. This is redox equation of zinc copper galvanic cell. In this manner, you can construct a galvanic cell with copper silver. At that time, copper is more reactive than silver. It is given the parts, that is silver nitrate, copper sulfate, all these things it is given. Try to draw a figure like this and mark the electron flow and the electrolyte. Okay, write the redox equation also. Now see what is electrolytic cell. Here it is a device in which electrolyte is split up into two parts by the passage of electricity. The positive part of this cell is called anode and negative part of the battery is called cathode. In the case of galvanic cell, it is the reverse manner. Negative side is called anode and positive side is called cathode. But here in electrolytic cell, positive side of the battery is called anode and negative side of the battery is called cathode. This electrolyte, usually we take water, sodium chloride or any molten solution which will pass electricity. So it will split up into two ions. The electrode at which oxidation takes place is called anode and electrode at which reduction takes place is called cathode. So here oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Here the positive ions which move to cathode is called cation and the negative ions which move to anode is called anion. So cations and anions.